Here's how to install the Bridge component library on web, iOS, and Android. First, on web. Here we have our Rails directory where we're going to add the stimulus controllers with bin, import map, pin, Joe Mazzolati, bridge components. This will also pin the Hotwire Native bridge and stimulus if you don't have it installed. Then in app JavaScript controllers application.js, or where you start your stimulus controller, we're going to import all of the controllers from the new package. Joe Mazzolati, bridge components. And then we'll tell the application to load all of those controllers. That's it. Web is ready to go. To install the package on iOS, we'll open Xcode and click File, Add Package Dependencies. In the upper right, we'll search for the GitHub directory, which is github.com, Joe Mazzolati, bridge components. And there we'll change the version to the latest version that we have, which is 8.3, and up to the next minor version. Click Add Package and click Add Package again, and we now have the package installed in our machine. We'll import that in our app delegate, and we'll also import Hotwire Native if you haven't already, and then we will register all of the bridge components from the library. Command B for build, and we are ready to go. To see it in action, we'll change this web-based drop-down menu to a native one. First, in our nav, we'll add the data controller, bridge menu, and then for each link, posts and comments, we'll add the bridge menu target and set it to item. When we refresh the page here, we'll have our native menu up in the top right, and we can visit our comments path. We can also hide the web-based menu when the bridge element is installed by grabbing the data bridge components when we register the menu component, and when we have that on the screen, we can hide it. Save that and refresh again, and our web-based menu is hidden with only our native one showing. To install the package on Android, we'll add a new repository for dependency resolution management. We'll grab a Maven and assign it a URL and point that to Jitpack. Then, in our app's build Gradle file, after we import our Hotwire Native implementations, we will add a new one for the library. Here we're going to grab com, GitHub, Joe Mazzolati, colon, bridge components, and then another colon, the version number. Here we're at version 803. Sync now to get the project integrated. And then in our application subclass, we'll want to tell Hotwire to use our JSON converter, which will be a Kotlin X JSON converter, so we can parse our bridge component JSON. And then we will tell Hotwire to register our bridge components, where we'll grab all of our bridge components from our library and splat them with an asterisk. When we run the app, we'll see that we now have a native menu on Android as well. That's all. In just a few minutes, you've installed 16 or more bridge components into your Hotwire Native apps, and you can check that out at bridgecomponents.dev. Thanks for watching.